What's up, friends and family? Today what I'm gonna do is oil change my Mercedes. Year is 2013, C250, 4-cylinder, 1.8 turbo. This one is the same thing, goes with 2012 up to 2014, same procedure if you have model C250. Ang chassis code is W204. Ang tools na kailangan natin, first 3/8 ratchet. Ito yung 3/8 ratchet. 13mm socket for the drain bolts. And then 27mm oil filter wrench socket. Ito, special. Next is oil ring pickers for your oil filter housing. Ito. Next is 3/8 extension right here. It's a 8mm socket for yung engine cover. And then for mostly mga European, kailangan nyo to liquid moly engine flush. So nilagay ko na, and then I let it idle mga 15 minutes para maalis yung mga dumi and ma-filter at saka sumama sa drain pag drain mo na yung oil filter. So ang information naman is pag mga C250 1.8 turbo, it's 5.5 quarts, or you can put like the whole 6 quarts. Yung grade 5W40, and then yung torque naman, most important is oil filter housing torque is 25 Newton meter, or convert from foot-pounds, 18 foot-pounds. And then yung last is oil drain plugs, torque is 31 Newton meter or 23 foot-pounds. So first thing, you have to take off the engine cover, the top one. Next, you just have to open the oil filter para yung pressure. Yan lang, para walang pumasok na dumi. So sa ilalim, marami kayong tatanggalin na mga bolts sa engine cover. So next ang tatanggalin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 na 8mm na sa akin na bolts. So nag-hold nung transmission engine cover. Ayan. So guys, ito na sa ilalim. Pag naalis nyo na yung engine cover tsaka transmission cover, makikita nyo na ito yung drain plug, oil drain plug. Ang size niyan is 13mm. So ang lefty loosely. Yan. So pag na-crack nyo na, kailangan nyo na ng tsaka ito lang, just be careful with the wires because that's for your sensors. So dahan-dahan. Then get ready your drain plug, yung oil pan. And kasama yung oil, yung gasket. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang kasi mainit. So guys, pagka nag-change na kayo ng mga 5,000 miles, ito na yung kulay niya. Sobrang itim na. So much darker. So, don't wait to 10,000 miles because it's not good for your car. If your car is brand new, of course, dealer will recommend you 10,000 miles o change. Pero, pag wala na kayong mga free maintenance, gawin nyo na as much as possible 5,000 miles. Kasi pag umabot kayo ng mga 6,000, 7,000 miles, mas ano na yan, pangit na yun. So wala na masyadong protection sa oil. Yung viscosity nun masyadong ano na, worn out. So guys, ito na yung oil drain plug 13mm. Ito yung lumang drain plug gasket. So kailangan yung laging papalitan yan, especially sa mga European cars, Mercedes and Audi, BMW, basta lahat ng mga European cars kailangan yung palitan yung drain plug. So ito na yung bago. Ito naman yung oil filter. Ayan yung part number ng oil filter, A27118000509. Ayan yung part number. So genuine Mercedes. Kasi pag gagawa kayo ng mga European, kailangan mostly lahat genuine para mas maganda yung performance, tsaka mas original. So pag bubuksan nyo naman yung oil filter, may gasket yan, O-ring gasket. And then ito na yung oil filter. So next, ibabalik ko na yung drain plug. Bago na yung drain plug, gagamitin ko yung torque wrench digital. So according sa old data, 23 foot-pounds. Ayan yung torque na name niya, foot-pounds, or 31.25 Newton meter. Ito maganda digital kasi pwede nyo na iiba yung mga settings. So next guys, babalik ko na yung drain plug. So I'm just gonna put the drain plug. The easier way and safest way, hand tight first. Just to make sure na tama yung hindi malo-lost thread. Dahan-dahanin nyo lang hanggang pumasok sa loob. Yan. Hand thread lang all the way. Yan. And then clean your oil. Kasi ito mga sensor to, wire sensor. So linisin nyo lang. Yan. And then gagamitin ko yung torque wrench. 23 foot-pounds pa rin tayo. So okay na yun, naka-torque na kayo. So 23 foot-pounds. Yan. So next, pag alis naman ng oil filter, so kailangan nyo na extension kasi yung filter nandito. So pag nakita mo, ito. Tsaka lagyan nyo ng mga napkin or mga rag, so to make sure na hindi messy pag inalis nyo yung filter. And then dahan-dahanin nyo lang din kasi plastic lang to. So para hindi nyo ma-strip yung threads. So pag feel nyo na loose na, pwede nyo na ng just do it in your hand para mas safer. Yan. So alisin nyo na yung filter. Ito na. So alisin nyo rin to, itong vacuum line. Yan. Dahan-dahanin nyo lang kasi mess yan. See? So guys, pag alis naman ng filter, dahan-dahan lang. Medyo tight lang siya na onte. Yan. Yun na yung oil filter mo na luma. Tsaka yung ring na sinasabi ko, ito yung unang ring. Linisin nyo muna kasi madulas. Tatlong ano yan, ring. Ito yung una, pangalawa, tsaka tatlo. So, mas madaling kunin yung pinakamalaki. Ito. Yung sa dulo, dito. Yung pangalawa. Ito. Yung pangalawa. So guys, ang paglagay naman ng tatlong O-ring niya, kailangan basahin nyo. So, you know, pre-lube with the oil na you're gonna use it. The first one ay yung last, yung malaki. Kailangan alam nyo kung saan siya nakalagay. Kasi kung hindi, mahirapan kayo. Magkakaroon ng leak. So, alam nyo dapat kung saan siya nakalagay. Ito, dito yan. Sa dulo. Okay. Yan. Yung medyo malaki na onte sa middle. Yan. Tapos yung maliit last sa dulo. Siya kailangan pre-lube nyo rin ng onte. Yan. Dito. Ano na yun dito. Para hindi kayo mahirapan i-thread in mamaya. And last, yung filter. So, wala namang way yan or specific way. Lalagay nyo lang. Basta pag na-fill nyo na yung click, tsaka tight na, okay na yun. And then, of course, just double check it if you're gonna install your filter. And make sure na okay yan, tama yan. So first one, second one, and third one. Okay. Then, double check your oil filter. So next guys, ito na. Lalagay ko na yung oil filter. Ang torque naman is sa foot-pounds 18.50 o sa Newton meter 2525. Gagamitin ko is like foot-pounds. So 18.50. So guys, ilalagay ko na yung oil filter. Make sure na ilulub nyo yun dito. Lagyan nyo na onting oil. Just put a little bit of oil from here. Here, the first, second, and third O-ring. So here, just slowly thread it in. Hand tight. Hand tight lang din para hindi ma-lost thread. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang. Don't get excited. And if you feel na it's getting tighter, so use your ratchet or kasi because your new O-ring are new, so it's more tight and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the torque wrench right now. Okay. Same thing, same procedure. Dahan-dahan lang din. So slowly. 18 foot-pounds. And yung filter. And just to make sure there's no napkin or towel na nakat dun sa threads. Okay. Kita nyo yan. I'm already torqued it down in the specific manufacturer spec. So ito, double check lang ulit. Yan. So, yan. So next, pagkatapos na kayong ibalik yung filter, ito pala yung mga gasket sa firewall. Inalis ko para may space. Yan. Make sure na ibalik nyo rin. This one. And then yung itong vacuum, meron pala siyang lalagyanan dyan. So, yan yung group. Ito, sa nag-hold sa vacuum. Okay? So, make sure double check na tama yung paglagay ng mga molding sa firewall. And then, clean up after. Ayan. Just to make sure walang mga magtarang mga oil. Now I'm gonna put the oil, 6 parts. Ito nga pala yung specific na oil funnel. Make sure pag mga Euro, they have like this kind of block. This one right here. Okay, so we're just gonna use this one. Okay. And then for my Mercedes 5W40, ito, 6 quarts. The good thing about this, if you have special one, so natanggal yung pinaka niya, ring. So na-save pa rin dito, hindi napunta sa loob ng ng engine. So if something happened like the accident, hindi mapupunta sa loob. Guys, nalagay ko na yung oil filter and drain plug. So now we're just gonna reset the A service or B service. So if you have a keyless go, you're just gonna press 1 and make sure that you're on the accessories, no, your trip, and then same time hold your call and then OK. So now vehicle data, dynamo test, or you're gonna go to assist plus. Okay, so full service, confirm full service, service carried out, yes. You cannot undo, so confirm, full service carried out. Alright guys, so next thing, once you reset the oil maintenance and then you put all the oil and stuff, you start for about like 10 seconds to circulate the new oil, and then you turn off, and then before you turn off, kailangan nyo muna, check mo muna yung may leak dun sa drain plug or sa oil filter, just to make sure everything's fine before you drive up. And then to check yung kung full na yung yung oil, this is the dipstick, so have to be sa max or dito, just to make sure na nasa tamang level kayo. sa mga ibang European like BMW mostly, ano sila, digital yung measuring ng oil. For this Mercedes particular are analog, so mostly on the dipstick. Alright guys, so that's how you all change a Mercedes-Benz 2013 C250 1.8 turbo 4-cylinder from 2012 up to 2014. So chassis code W204. So this one is like 2013, chassis code W204. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe, like, and share on my channel. Thank you guys.